Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghost in Zombie Apocalypse roleplay. First, establish your Ghost's backstory, including their death and any lingering attachments. Consider what makes them unique in the apocalypse. Next, define their spectral abilities, like passing through walls or influencing objects, and their limitations. Perhaps they can only manifest for a few minutes at a time, or only in specific locations. Finally, decide how they perceive and interact with the living and the undead. When crafting your ghost, consider their specific powers. Can they possess objects or perhaps whisper to the living? Think about how their abilities manifest, such as a chilling breeze or flickering lights. Crucially, establish clear limitations. Maybe they cannot leave a certain area, or their powers drain quickly. Perhaps a strong emotional outburst from a survivor could temporarily weaken them. These boundaries create compelling challenges and prevent your ghost from being overpowered. How does your ghost interact with the world? They might communicate through whispers, visions, or by subtly moving small objects. Consider if they can directly influence the environment, perhaps by opening a door or causing a distraction. When it comes to zombies, perhaps the undead are drawn to their spiritual energy or completely ignore them. This dynamic adds interesting layers to the roleplay, allowing for both assistance and unexpected challenges for the living. To ensure a truly immersive ghost roleplay experience, consistency is key. Stick to your established rules for abilities and limitations. Focus on the emotional impact your ghost has on the narrative, whether it's a tragic backstory or a guiding presence. Remember, the goal is to enhance the story, not to break it. For those who love diving into rich narratives, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even during the apocalypse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.